Good day and welcome. Today we'll walk through how to file a return using the New Jersey Tax Portal. As you begin, you have two options for using the portal. You can create a permanent user profile or file as a guest. The New Jersey Tax Portal is part of a multi-phase tax modernization project. While other taxes will be added in future phases, only the taxes covered in Phase 1 can be filed through the portal at this time. To begin filing as a guest, navigate to the New Jersey Tax Portal at taxportal.nj.gov. On the homepage, select Tax Services, then select how you wish to file your tax return. Before you proceed with your filing, you will need to review and agree to the terms and conditions of use. Take a moment to read the information provided. Once you've read and understand the terms, you must click the checkbox next to I agree to the above terms and conditions. After checking the box, click Next to continue. On the contact information page, you will be prompted to complete all fields. Please fill in all the required fields which are marked with an asterisk. This information ensures the Division of Taxation can contact you if there are any questions regarding your filing. After you've completed all the required fields, click Next to continue with filing your return. On the authentication page, you will begin the process of filing your tax return. First, enter your tax ID number and your business name. Your tax ID is a 12-digit number. Next, use the Account Type drop-down box to select your tax type. After entering the information, click Next to continue. On the File a Tax Return screen, you must specify the details of your filing. Under Return Type, you will choose between filing an original return or an amended return. For your first submission of the filing period, select Original. If you need to make a correction to a return you've already submitted, select Amended. This is a tax form page where you will enter your financial information. You must complete the required fields as these lines capture key data points for your return. In the top right-hand corner of the page, you'll see a prompt for tax return instructions. Once you've completed the necessary lines, click the Calculate button. Your tax due will be automatically calculated based on the information you provided. After reviewing the calculated amount, click Submit to proceed to the Summary Information page. Any payments you've previously made will be viewable on the next page. Before submitting your return, you will make your final review on the Summary Information page. If all of the payment and filing information is correct, simply click the Next button to proceed. You will then be prompted to acknowledge that you are authorized to file this return on behalf of the business. You must click Yes to continue and complete the submission process. You have successfully filed your return. This final screen provides confirmation of your submission. Your confirmation number will be displayed on this page. We highly recommend you save this number for your records. You'll have two options on this page. You can either choose to print your confirmation or choose to make a payment to satisfy any liability you may have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Thank you for watching.